Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Deyshallah. Today I'm going to be showing you how I prep my hair for storage and how I get back my Brazilian body wave. So here are the things I use. I use a shampoo and conditioner. This is a Petals shampoo and instant hair conditioner. They're very affordable. You can get it in the market. Some rubber bands, elastic bands. Then the Cantu argan oil leave-in conditioner. Also some sets of combs. I have my tail comb, the big comb, and hairbrush. So I'm also going to be using a roll of foil. If you don't want to use this, you can use a very wide tray. So I'm going to be needing this tray, this round tray, and this bowl of lukewarm water because I'm recording the video. Normally I'll just wash the hair in my sink, but since I'm recording the video, I'm making use of water. So now I'm going to be picking up the hair. I have 16 inches, 14 inches, 12 inches, and a 10 inches closure. So I'm going to be rolling it up and using the elastic band to hold it by the weft, after which I'm going to wash it. So while you're doing that, you would also like to run your comb through the hair to make sure it's not tangled at any spots, because you would not like to put your weaves, your tangled weaves in water. It's going to be a mess. You wouldn't be able to comb it once it's wet. So I think I'm done combing them now, and I'll just begin the washing. So I'd really like you guys to take note of how stretched the hair looks. It's not completely straight, but it's not as bouncy as it was when I got it initially. So I'd like you to compare this to how it's going to look when we are done. So now I'm washing. I believe we all know how to wash our weaves. You put it in the water and apply your shampoo, and you whisk it the way you use your spoon or your fork to whisk eggs in a bowl. Okay, you don't apply too much force, and when you do that, you gently squeeze out the water. Okay, so I'm going to do that for all the bundles, including the closure. Normally I wash like 3 times, so I wash continuously until the soapy water is clean. But for this video, I'm just going to do it once because I don't want the video to be too long, and the remaining washing will be done behind the scenes. Okay, so that's it. You can see how brown the water is looking now because of all the weave-on oils, what have you, that I've applied while the hair was still in a wig form. So I'm going to have to repeat this process, but I'm not going to show that. Okay, so now everything has been washed and rinsed. Okay, I've already washed and rinsed it. So now I'm spreading open the foil. You can use any side. Okay, so it doesn't really matter. You just need a foundation, a place to place your hair. So you comb it, you run your comb through it again, and then you apply your leave-in conditioner. You don't put too much. You don't want anything to make the hair dense, just to soften it some more. And then you see how I create the curls from one side to the other, using my hand to press it down to avoid shifting as I go. Okay, so I'm going to do the other side. I'll do the same thing. It's easy, it's just that it can be slippery because the hair is wet and soft, and you've also applied your leave-in conditioner, so it might be a bit slippery, but it's not a tedious process. So I'm squeezing the water out and I'm applying a bit of the leave-in conditioner on it too. Okay, so because the hair is a bit thicker than the closure, I'm going to be using the big comb and the brush. Yes, so I started with the brush. I combed it to one side, press down that side, and then use the brush to comb it to the other side. Press that place down again, return it, you know, just in a spiral. I don't know if I'm going to call this spiral. Let me just use the word spiral, in a spiral motion. Just continue like that till you get to the tip of the hair. So that's it. I'm going to do that for the rest of the hair now. Okay, so after all of this, I'm gonna leave the hair to dry naturally, since I'm not in a hurry to make use of the hair. You could, place the foil. If you had done it in a tray now, you could place it under direct sunlight, but I'm not using it anytime soon and nobody's going to tamper with it here, so I'm going to just leave it to dry, and then I'm going to show you a couple of hours later how it's going to be. Okay, so this is it a few hours later. It's not completely dried, but you can see that the waves are beautiful. It's as good as new, and this is how I'm gonna keep it to store it. So if you do try this, I'd love to see pictures of what you've done. You can send that to me on WhatsApp or through my email. They'll be in the description box. Please, if you found this video helpful, give me a huge like, subscribe to my channel to be updated on my future videos, and see you guys next time. Thank you so much. Bye.